All right, Hannah, make an H.
Hold your pen.
That's my pen.
All right, make an H.
It's a Hannah.
Hey everyone. How's my little boy?
My pen.
What do you?
Well,
You just said your name.
Oh,
this goes out a little far with the. There you go.
right there.
Right there.
Right there.
That's enough. It's tall enough.
Okay, now put your line. Yay!
Very good.
Good girl.
What are these called? Is it one stick, two stick, and a line?
Yeah, I'm alive.
Okay, do another. What is that?
H for Hannah.
Good girl.
Good job. You gonna flip it over?
And tell them what? That the naked guy we stare at all the time isn't moving?
And I want this
Is
one.
it? It's too confusing. It's got
Okay.
lines across it already.
Here, try this one.
No, it's not. It's not crossing it.
Oh, you wanna do more on there?
We already have an H.
You know how we
Oh.
save all those...
Do it here. Here, this one. That one doesn't have an H yet.
How are we going to read? What?
Do it on this side. It doesn't have an H. Right there. It's okay that it's sticky. It's okay. I want to see an H. Can you put an H there?
If they're sticky up, or sticky
Here.
down.
It's sticky.
Here,
Here.
okay. There. Grandma Linda gave you another one. Go ahead. Let me see.
Alright.
When I woke up this morning, I was in love. Well, I was happy. Because certainly right to find a 12-pack of condoms. And now I can't even return it because you killed the receipt.
Good girl.
Good job. There's
I
Hannah's
want